Hello dear students, welcome you once again on your YouTube channel English Tycoon. Dear students, you are with me, your English mentor SK Chobe, and in today's video I am going to discuss with you the current syllabus of English of class 11th. It has been noted that many students are asking about the syllabus and they are still in confusion that what is going to come in the exam. See, this year you are going to have your paper in term wise because of the effect of the COVID. CBSE has changed the pattern. I think this will run this year only and it's going to change, it may change the next year. So for those students, those who are in the class 11th this year and they have to follow this new syllabus, we have to follow this new syllabus and new paper pattern. See, before I tell you something about the chapter, I would like to tell you about the pattern. I hope you people are knowing it. If people are not knowing it or you still having any doubt, then I would like to tell you. So the paper is going to be MCQ based. Okay, and there will be two terms. The school, those who are in class 11, the exam will be conducted at the school level by the school itself, and the paper will be of MCQ based. Term 1 of 40 marks and 10 marks internal, and term 2 also 40 marks and 10 marks internal, and both your marks will be added in the final, and then your final result will come. Fine. I hope this is clear now. Now don't keep in any doubt that the paper is going to be MCQ based or paper is going to be detail based. So keep in your mind that it is going to be MCQ based. You will have to attempt 40 questions. In term 1 you are going to get the 60 questions in the question paper, and the paper will be divided into three sections as it was earlier, but the question will be asked in different way. I will discuss you question pattern also, but before that let's see what is the syllabus of class 11th English term 1 for the session 2020-21-22. See, in term 1, see, this sheet contain both term 1 and term 2. So first I'll explain it term 1, then I'll explain it term 2. Clear? See now, in term 1 you are having your question paper, and if this is, I'm talking about especially about English only. See, your question paper will be divided into three sections, and the first section is reading and comprehension section. That is called reading and comprehension section. You people know it quite well. There will be two passages. One unseen passage will be based factual or descriptive. Unseen passage. This unseen passage will give you 8 marks, and there will be MCQ based question. You will get MCQ based question from the first passage. And second, there will be second passage also, case based unseen passage, which can be factual also. From the second you will get 5 marks, and total this comprehension means total section A will give you 13 marks. Here 13 question will be there, 13 marks for each one questions mark 1, total 13 marks. Now come to the B section. B section is your writing section. Now there is doubt in the students' minds, sir, how writing section will come if the question is MCQ. I will be telling you, first you see the syllabus of writing, grammar and writing section, then I will tell you how the question will come in class 11. See, writing section, what is your topic in writing section? In term 1, that is notice writing. In term 1 you are having notice writing. In term 1 you are having notice writing, short writing. Short writing is contain one topic, notice writing, and one more long writing task will be there, that is letter writing based. It can be business letter or official letter. Fine. And the letter can be of making inquiry or registering complaint, asking for something, some information, placing orders. This question can be based on such type of condition. Means your letter will be given in the question that is based on these conditions, and you have to give the answer. Don't be panic, have patience. I will be telling you that how you have to attempt the question. Clear? Or how the question will be asked in the question paper. So have patience. Let me explain it, your chapters, your syllabus first, then I'll go ahead. Now in grammar you are having determiner, tense, and reordering of the sentences. Sometimes rearrangement is asked. This determiner and tense will help you to writing and writing your marking your answer, understanding your answer properly. Okay, there can be some filler also based on this determiner and tense. Now the third section will be the literature section. Literature section, you know, you are having two books, and first is Hornbill and second is Snapshot. On the basis of these, from these two books you are going to get the chapter. Now I am going to tell the chapter which are going to come in your term 1 exam. Note it, mark it carefully in the book and just prepare. Just because your school is planning for your term 1 exam, probably because board exam is going to start after 15 and before 10 December it will be conducted 10 to 15. So your school also may conduct your term 1 exam nearby. So be ready for that. Now see, from Hornbill you are going to get this chapter, the portrait of the lady. This chapter is going to come in the term 1. Photograph, this is also going to come in term 1. We are not afraid to die, this chapter is also going to the part of your term 1. Discovering Tut, the saga continue, this is also the part of your term 1 syllabus from Hornbill book. Lebanon Top, it is a poem. This is also going to come in the term 1. Landscape of the soul, this is also going to come. Now Snapshot, the summer of the beautiful white horse, the address, and Randa's marriage. So these chapters are the chapters of literature which are going to come in your term 1 exam. I hope this is clear. And see, total theory, total MCQ 40 questions. You will get 60 questions in the paper, but you have to attempt only 40. There will be some optional question also. So total 40 and 10 mark ASL. School will provide you after taking your listening and speaking test and your overall performance in the school during the school. Clear? So that 10 marks will also given according to your discipline, according to your behavior, according to your speaking and writing skills, which will be tested by your teacher. So then it will be 50 total, 10 marks MCQ based theory paper and 40 marks theory paper and 10 marks ASL test. I hope this is clear. Now let's see the term 1. It is term 1. Now let's see the term 3. Wait a second, I am telling you the marking also. See, for notice you are going to, for comprehension you will get 13 marks, 2 comprehension, 8 and 5, 13. For notice you will get 3 marks. For letter you will get 5 marks. There is speech writing, speech also too. And your grammar part will be of 4 marks. So this is total of 12. And literature section 15 marks and total 40 marks. So this is the division of the marks also. You should see this so that you can prepare proper way accordingly. Clear? Now see, let's see the term 2nd for class 11th. Reading comprehension, as I told you, it is same. See, this is same. Reading and comprehension is same. Marking scheme is also same. See, grammar, writing and skill and grammar is a little different. Here you are having posters based question, writing short poster based question, 3 marks. Long writing task, letter writing, official letter you will get, school, college and authority. Regarding admission, it can be topic can be regarding admission or requirement something, some course, or and debate writing. So letter, in that long writing you will get letter writing and debate writing. This is the part, this is the given, this will be asked in your term 2nd exam. Fine. Now in grammar you are having determiner as here in term 1, tense as in term 1, and reordering the sentence as in term. So it is same, and grammar and writing section will be of 12 marks as it is in the term 1, same. See, marking is same, only some topics are changed. In literature there will be change of the topics. Now we have done this part. These are the chapters from books Hornbill and Snapshot which we have done in term 1, so they are not going to ask in term 2. Now you are having new chapter from the same books in the term 2. The Voice of the Rain is the poem from Hornbill. Alien Planet, the green movement's role, this is from Hornbill. The Brownie version, this is from Hornbill. Childhood, this is a poem from Hornbill. And Silk Road, this is also a chapter from 100. So these chapter are going to ask in your term second exam. Now book snapshot, Albert Einstein at school, this is going to come in the second term. Mother's Day going to come in the second term, and birth. These three chapters are going to come in the second term. The marking scheme you can see 15 here also in term 1 literature and 15 also in term 2 also. Total marks 40, as I told you, in term 1 also 40 marks and term 2 also 40 marks. ASL of 10 marks, and total in term 1 is 50 and term 2 is also 50. Now these two 50 marks, whatever you get out of these 150 will be added, and your final result will be generated by created or generated by your school. So this is, I hope, clear now. You don't have any doubt regarding the syllabus of English of class 11th CBSE board term 1. So dear students, if you have any doubt still, you please write in comment. I will definitely try to solve your problem if you have. And you will be getting detailed explanation of each and every topic on this channel. And so if you have any doubt, you can visit the channel and get your problem solved. So thank you for watching. Good luck and goodbye.